Good morning, Kasturians. So today we have to discuss this numerical based on projectile motion, okay? And this topic is from chapter number 4, which is motion in a plane, okay? So now let us see the numerical. The numerical is, the question says a football player kicks a ball at an angle of 30 degree, okay? The angle at which the football player kicks the ball is 30 degree, okay? Now, and 30 degree with the initial speed of 20 meter per second. Okay, so you can see we are given the angle, that is 30 degree, and what else we are given, the initial speed, that is 20 meter per second. Okay, now let us see what we have to find. First thing that we have to find is time to reach the highest point. Okay, so what will be the motion, how the motion will be, the motion is a kind of projectile motion. See, at an angle of 30 degree the ball is kicked with initial velocity as 20 meter per second. Okay, this is x direction, y direction. Okay, now we have to find the time to reach the highest point. Highest point कौन सा होगा यहाँ पे, it will be the highest point. The time of time to reach the highest point मतलब we have to find the time of ascent. ठीक, let us consider this time of ascent is t. We have to find this small t. Okay, and total time कितना होगा यहाँ से, let us consider this point O and this point B. ठीक, O से B के लिए टोटल टाइम कितना होगा, लेट अस कंसीडर दैट टोटल टाइम बी टी, और टोटल टाइम की फॉर्मूला यू ऑलरेडी नो इज, व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल टाइम, इट विल बी, यू सी, इट विल बी 2u साइन थीटा अपॉन जी. ओके, इट इज़ कैपिटल टी. अब हमें क्या करना है, टाइम ऑफ एसेंट निकालना है. उसके लिए वी विल हैव टू फाइंड द हाफ ऑफ दिस टी, दैट मीन्स वी विल हैव टू फाइंड टी बाई टू. और कितना होगा टी बाई टू, 2u साइन थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई जी है, वी हैव टू सिंपली डिवाइडेड बाई 2, तो हमें क्या बचेगा, डिवाइडेड बाई 2, सो इट इज u साइन थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई जी. ओके, u वी ऑलरेडी नो, u की वैल्यू कितनी है, u इज 20 एंड साइन थीटा दैट मीन्स साइन 30, and what is the value of g, let us consider g is 10 meter per second. So what will be the answer, it will be 1/2, and sin 30 is 1/2. Sin 30 is half, so what will be that answer, it will be 2/2, it will be 1 second. Okay, now the second part that we have to find is maximum height. Maximum height means we have to find this, and we already know the formula for the maximum height, that is u square sin square theta divided by 2g. Okay, this is what we have to find. We can easily substitute the value of u की कितनी value, that is 20. We can easily substitute the value of u and sin theta and g. What we will get, 5 meter. देखो u की value is 20, simple square of 20, sin 30, what is that, that is half का whole square, and 2g means 2 into g is 10. After solving this we will easily get 5 meter. Okay, now the third thing that we have to find is horizontal range. Horizontal range means this we have to find out, this distance. ठीक, now we already know the formula for the horizontal range. What is that, that is u square sin 2 theta. देखो, in the horizontal range we had sin square theta. Okay, sorry, this is height. For the height we are having u square sin square theta, but for the range we are having u square sin 2 theta upon g. Okay, so you have to be very careful with the formula. So we can easily put the value of u and theta and g also, and what we will get after simplification, the range will be 34.6 meter. Okay, now what else we have to find, we also have to find time for which the ball is in the air, means time of flight. Time of flight मतलब पूरा time जिस time में the ball was in the air. Okay, that means we have to find the total time of flight, that we already know total time of flight was 2u sin theta upon g. Okay, after simply substitution of u, theta and g, we will get the value of the time of flight. We will easily get the value of time of flight, that will come out to be 2 seconds. Okay, so that's all for today. We will discuss other parts in the next class. Okay, thank you.